How to add collections in Shopify. The first thing you want to do is to log into your Shopify dashboard. And then you want to go to Products. And then you want to click Collections. And up in the top right corner here, it is a button that is called Create Collection, and then click that. And let's say we want to have all our Nike products under one collection. So let's just type Nike collection. And if you want to have an image on the collection, you can click Add Image here. And under collection type, you need to decide whether you are going to add the products manually or automated. If you want to add them manual, just click Manual, and then you have to go inside the product section here, and you have to add them manually under each product. I will show you how to do it automated. And from here you want to we want to have all the Nike products inside one collection, and we go by product vendor, and then is equal to, and I have already a vendor here, it's Nike. And when that is done, you click Save. So that is how you add a collection in Shopify. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.